Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to review WiseAgent. The first thing I'm going to review are pricing plans, and then I'm going to review features they offer. So let's start. When you come here to the pricing and packages, you can see they have a monthly, annual, enterprise. I really like the monthly version because 29 bucks is not that much, and most of the CRM are going from 25 to 30 on average, and they are really similar. So pricing plan is okay-ish. It's not really expensive, it's not cheap, it's okay. And what I like with included features. So you got the drip marketing campaigns, lead automation. You can also connect the leads from Facebook, for example, Facebook group, and you will just see it as leads in your WiseAgent dashboard. Team-friendly calendar, free 24/7 support, contact manager, customer landing pages. This is another thing that I like, that I think that every CRM for real estate should offer you customizable landing pages. If you don't see it, I don't know if I would choose the CRM. Social media engagement, unlimited document storage, right? Monthly newsletter. This is another thing that you want to have newsletter, you don't want to use, I don't know, MailChimp, right? So when you would come here, the contact management, lead automation, transaction management, and then you have many more things that you can use. But mainly with landing pages, you're going to be well off. But maybe you just need contact management and that's it. Maybe everything here is going to be like really overwhelming for you. But maybe you will use it. It's completely up to you. Then the next thing that I like is that you got task and to-do list that you can actually use, so you don't need to have the project management like Monday.com, Asana and others. That you are going to have everything under one roof. So this is really great. You have also integrations here. And then you have like email here, drip campaign, and your real estate newsletter, email branding, Wise, SMS text, letters, and Wise printing. So you have multiple options what you can actually do even with marketing, right? You can simply contact them, and you can also try the 14-day free trial. So I recommend doing that. You're not going to make a miss if you're going to choose it. And yeah, if you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in comments. I'm really happy to help you and provide you some guidance. WiseAgent is a good CRM. Yes, you don't have connection to, I don't know, Facebook ads that you can have from others or video emails. Okay, but maybe this is enough for you. So thank you very much, guys. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.